In this real review of Electrify, we're going to take a look at the product, inside the dashboard, exactly what you get for your money. When this launches, August 29th, 2021 on Warrior Plus. With this headline, at last, a traffic software that really works. One-click Autobot drives unlimited free traffic to any link or website in 36 seconds. Our newbie students are banking up to $121.96 daily. 100% real traffic that buys. Zero tech skills needed. 3-figure-a-day tutorials included. Attain the laptop lifestyle. So let's just jump into Electrify and take a look at what it is. Here's a dashboard, and what this is a dashboard and a report of everything that you post on Twitter. Because that's what this is a simple interface where you can connect your Twitter account and then you can post from here inside of Electrify instead of posting from your Twitter account. Go under Activity, and this is the bot that they promised on the sales page. The one-click Autobot that drives unlimited free traffic to any link or website in 36 seconds. You click here to download the extension. That downloads a zip file, which is called electricity_extension.zip. When you unzip that, it unzips it into Twitter autofollower scraper_extension. You open that up, and then here is the extension that you then install in your Chrome browser. You go to your Chrome browser and you go Load Unpacked. You click on that folder that you've unzipped from the .zip file. You select Select. Then you can see it installs Twitter Autofollow Unfollow Scraper. Then at that point you come under your extensions, and then you have the Twitter Autofollow Unfollow Scraper. You can pin that, and I'll bring this down, and now you can actually see when you click on the extension, you have to enter your license key and an email address. And at this point, I can't show you anymore because I can't get it to validate the license. If I click validating, it doesn't do anything. Based upon the license key and the JV access that I have to this product, it's not working. But if you go back to this file and you take a look at Twitter Autofollow Scraper extension, and you go to Google and you Google that, you can find that this is readily available on Code Canyon. And if you go to Code Canyon, this is exactly what you're going to get. If you go under screenshots, you're going to get something like this or something very similar, where you have a Chrome extension that allows you to follow, unfollow, and scrape information from your Twitter account. This is the automation bot or something very similar to this. Of course, you could go to the Chrome web store as well. You could find a free extension called Twitter Auto, which does the exact same thing. It basically goes in, you install the extension, you authenticate it to your Twitter account, and then it'll start auto-following and replying and commenting to your Twitter feed. I did a review on June 29, 2021. I'll leave a card up here in the right-hand corner on a product called TweetX, and you can see that this basically is the same thing, where they provided you this type of extension and a small amount of training on how to use it to create a following on Twitter. To do again what they're talking about here on the Electrify sales page, a one-click Autobot that drives unlimited free traffic to any link or website in 30 seconds. So again, you're back inside of Electrify. Once you get that extension downloaded and installed, that is the one-click bot that is doing all the work for you. And then you're back to doing the work inside of Electrify, where you're checking your Twitter inbox here instead of just opening up your Twitter account, either on your phone or, as you can see here, on your PC, and going through and exploring, answering your messages, checking out your notifications, building and looking at different lists that you've created, basically using Twitter with the interface that Twitter gives you. And then you can see here, you can go under Analytics, connect your Twitter profile, click on that, and this is going to show you the number of posts, the number of followers that you have on your Twitter profile, and then it's going to show you some random graphs that they've created here to make this look pretty and try to be sexy, to give you something for your money, when really you're not getting anything at all. Because the idea here is the big selling point for Electrify is that, don't worry, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, buy your copy of Electrify. Step 2, log in, enter in the link you want free traffic to be sent to. Of course, this link that you're sending out is to your Twitter following. So if you don't have a Twitter following, you're going to rely on Electrify and the Chrome extension, again, that I showed you, you can get readily for free or has been released before as TweetX, or you can buy over at Code Canyon where you could actually get support. And step 3 is relax and enjoy real autopilot followers, clicks, leads, and more in 30 seconds. And I have no idea where that 36 seconds time frames come from, other than it's simply just made up for this headline. But anyway, continuing on, here is another feature inside of Electrify where you can come in here and you can schedule posts. You can come in here and manage additional Twitter profiles. Here you can upload media and store it here inside of your Electrify dashboard, image and video. Here's something called caption. If you click add new, you can see here that you can create a caption and you can do that and you can add emojis. Then the last thing is they have the ability for you to add a watermark, which you can see right here is this image that you can add. This could be your branding, your logo, and then you can move this image around. You can change the size of that watermark. You can also change the transparency of that watermark. And then you can save that and you can use that on the images to share out to your Twitter feed, again, via the Electrify dashboard here, where you can come in and you can use this to send a tweet versus just coming to your Twitter profile and sending out a tweet yourself, where you can here upload an image, create a poll, send emojis, and even schedule your post, all right here inside of the Twitter dashboard. It's readily available on any computer and any web browser or your mobile device. So that's the quick down and dirty on Electrify. You tell me in the comments, is this worth your money and your time? I think you know what I think. And if you can't figure that out from the review, as you've seen already, the answer is no. Do not waste your money on Electrify. Thumbs down, hard pass. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here in the middle of the screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Just like the video you see here on the screen. Click that, watch it. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later.